Hello everyone, it's your one and only Lady Jill. If you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first person to know. If you have subscribed here before, thank you, God bless you. My people, I want to talk about this Ngozi matter wey just dey go viral for social media, YouTube or Facebook. I been want to talk about, and when the papa of the pikin come out, now there the thing come chocotalize me. It come like the thing come surprise me. I say because this woman now no and this our Nigeria actress, this Ngozi with the art film, when her film now ogbonge wey be say she dey always the art queen. I like the woman for one video where I like the woman where. So she dey always the art queen, you know. They always put her for all those queen, princess, all those things. So now your daughter just marry of recent now. Her daughter just do marriage of recent now. So the marriage, the papa of the girl, did the marriage. Now don't come even dey surprise people. Say why the girl go dey do marriage, the papa no go dey there. The thing come first chocotalize me small. I say the thing come surprise me because so many people come they say why I be saying I don't want to surprise everybody. Why I be say the papa no dey he pikin marriage, Must still remember when Regina they doing that time. The papa no still dey there. So the thing come they surprise people. Say what he cause am? We be say the papa of the bride he no dey there. So not know you say the papa and the Ngozi they no dey again together, my people. They no dey together again. So now make the papa no. They did not say, but even though say they not dey together, but they supposed to see at least it will still tell her because we been in now. At least the papa will still dey there, but this one now the papa no just dey there. I bet the man never pay the bride price. Put money for the woman because say Igbo men. They like boy pikin well. So if it be say the woman not born boy, maybe I make the man now the man can't live here. Ngozi that time because he not go reach them do. Because he Igbo, they don't use boy pikin till they play. So if it be says maybe not born boy for me, what do we call the think? Maybe I make he drive Ngozi, or it be say Ngozi can live am because all those men. I don't know what they say for boy picking. If you not born boy picking for them a problem, So now, he come cry, come out. Now what maybe can everyone talk for the topic now be say. Now the man come cry, come out now say he picking they do marriage, they there. Say one lay course on that marriage, like seriously. Say one lay course on that marriage. Say no go dey way for that picking, How you go swear for your picking because maybe. Attend the marriage. I don't say it dey painful. Say your own picking they do marriage. Say did there. But what you do in mama before your mama can get that kind of wicked mind for you? Say you go dey there for your own picking marriage. Like seriously, for me, me the reason now. If it be say now get what you do Ngozi will be say the thing really pain now. We come make her able take that kind of action because the thing chocotalized me, my people. Because your own pikin go dey do marriage, you no go dey there. Una na make the same one they behave well. Una wey be all those men. Una wey they always dey abandon una children. Una they expect say they want to do marriage, you come sit down for there gege. With pikin wey you not suffer put. When you want to do marriage, you come sit down like oga bata. Me I don't understand the way una wey be some all those men. The way una take the reason, Okay, now. The thing they pay you now, that make you go even cry, come out for social media and say, how can your pikin go they marry, go they like seriously? Say you want swear for them. How you go swear for them? For me, that action when you take it not good. You're not supposed to lay course on that marriage, lie, no matter what. Now see your pikin. For that action when Ngozi take, for me, I don't say not good, but who know what you do the woman before that woman can't take that kind of action? Because women and men, they too like this boy picking pass any other thing. It go be like say girl picking up be picking. it go just be like say girl pikin no be pikin at all for where dem dey. Especially Igbo men, they like boy pikin like say tomorrow no dey. They like boy pikin like say tomorrow no dey. So does it mean say girl pikin now not be pikin? Maybe you drive the woman that time, because now it make you see say the woman if pikin dey do marriage, you know tell you. Yeah, because Igbo, if you not put money for their head, they not go, that be their own tradition. So me here say if you not put money for their head, if the woman born for you, that pikin not be your own. Abi? So na they do for Igbo land. You know the tradition. So you don't go expect the woman may come call you now. Say the girl want to do marriage. You dey care for the pikin. You dey care for the girl. If you dey care for the girl, but if you not dey care for the girl, my dear, you don't go expect me the woman come call you. Now me they always talk and men. When be so they abandon our children, or because say na girl, una go abandon our children, una not go take care of them. They will not come expect tomorrow. Say the woman now will come call now. Like seriously, you can call you say if your pikin want to marriage you, me you can sit down like chief or guy where you be. Abi? Me you can sit down because you want come eat a cola. Where you not take care of that pikin, you never know I tell wear pampers, I tell grow. Like seriously. Men now, more just they get sense now. When I see what this woman do this man. If pikin they do marriage, you know they even they get not even care. Because if you care maybe for the stop mama say you want make your papa did. But you know if the stop mama, if they dance for a marriage, they happy. Because maybe your mama don't tell us what your papa do. So men, more not change for my character. Now those days, now they just say girl pikin no be pikin. Girl pikin na pikin. Yeah. Na pikin. So I don't just know what you see for all those kind things. So be say Obama, not be 2 girls he get. 2 girls. He will wife, not be say his wife go say born again. Una know then Obama. His wife not go even born again safe. He don't born finish. 2 girls. Now they carry waka. Fine, beautiful girls. If na Nigerian man did that position where that man did that time. If I don't even marry reach 5 wives since. If you don't marry reach 5 wives, you see her now. The thing they pay you now. That's all this girl that time to Regina now. Regina do you marriage. Now your mama stand for everything. If papa not there. Because maybe you don't take care of them. And they not still pay the money for the woman head. So you don't expect me they can just wake up one morning, me they come they give you a come with your pikin one marry. You don't go expect them. You will come abandon pikin now. Like one man now we just abandon a pikin for how many? You never even ask of the pikin up to now. So that pikin now won't come marry tomorrow. You can't expect the mama and make come call the man, make it stand. Like seriously, make him stand. They don't go fit stand. If the woman don't marry another man now that man now will come be papa. Yeah. Now that man will come be papa. Because pikin wey you no ask of, you no expect say make you come marry tomorrow. You come sit down like oga bata. Abi, you come sit down. Na pikin wan marry you, they talk and they go, but pikin wey you not take care of. Pikin wey you never know I take wear pampers. Pikin wey you don't know whether I go even eat. You just come wake up one morning say na your pikin. Mona they behave all those men. Mona they behave well. If the woman don't treat on bad, now will come they complain. But now on a curse am. On a curse am. See what happen to this man now. But people go they blame the woman and say the woman a bad woman. You know allow the man come. You not do this. But una know what the man do the woman before the woman take that kind of action. Una don't know. Una don't know what he do. Yeah. Una don't know. So my people, that's why I want you to do this video reach. So nobody know what he make Ngozi not let the man come ask of a pikin. Not let him do stand as a papa for the marriage. Now mama na do everything. So this one I just advice to our men. We say that they abandon their children. So now the result now be this one. So thank you everybody. Take care till I come your way next time. I remember your one and only Lady J. And if what did this man do? Now good thing we take lay course on the pikin, on the marriage. Leave your comments for the comment section. So we will go from there. So thank you everybody. Take care. Bye. And if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and always share my video. Always share this video. Please share it for me, and God will bless you for me. Thank you everybody. Take care. Bye.